Welcome to the world famous Guaranty RV Supercenters here in Junction City, Oregon. My name is Gary.Christiance, serving Guaranty since 1981, but you know me as the van guy, and I've got a good find for you today, a 2019 Pleasure-Way Lexor FL front lounge. Let's take a look at this bad boy. It's got about 16,000 miles. Yes, it is used, hardly. And what makes this floor plan unique over the TS in the Lexor is the front lounge, where they've taken the very small closet and a couple drawers, removed them, made a workspace here for the driver, so both chairs turn around, make it so you can set the back room, the back area up as a bed and have this as your living room. Very nice table they came up with. It's adjusts up and down. It'll hold 50 pounds. It's a very nice table. Of course, this floor plan doesn't entail moving up front where the driver turns around. Memory foam, ultra leather. It's got a power seat that folds down into a twin bed, and then you can take these back cushions, fill in the center spot, and you've got a nice queen bed. We do have a lot of storage throughout this unit. Nice heavy duty hinges. Positive locks on the bottom. 19's installing another monitor panel here in the back. You can come and take a look at it. So it's got all your tank capacities over here, fresh gray, black. Water pump on switch, 13.4 volts on the lithium battery. The generator start switch, which is programmable for temperature or voltage. It'll keep cycling for you until you turn it back off. You've got a light page back here as well as up front, and control of the awning and all the other features. Flat screen TV, DVD player. Another big storage compartment over here. Got a Winegard digital antenna. Controller right here that you can turn on. Windows on both sides open up for ventilation. You can put a screen here on the back if you so desire. Got a little closet area here. Here's the boards to make this into a bed, a queen bed. Nice big refrigerator. Freezer's up on top. Controls are at eye level. For those that are a little bit taller than me. Got your convection microwave. Big storage drawer. Water pumps right here, easy to access if you need to do any repairs. A good spot for a trash can. Recessed sink, undermounted. The counter makes it clean up easy. 2-burner stovetop. And again, all that storage that we had. Moving into the bathroom, it's got a nice vanity, medicine cabinet. It has a window to bring in some light, and you can pull the curtain down for privacy, towel bar in the back, and the shower curtain pulls all the way around and has Velcro tabs to protect this area here. Here's the storage compartment up front with your privacy curtains stored up there. Your main monitor as you walk in the coach is right here. You have all your controls as well as in the back. Your Truma AquaGo for your hot water heater. They use a propane heater for the furnace instead of using the combi. Freedom control here. With the seats turned in any position, you cannot put the van in gear. It's a safety feature. So even if you have the passenger seat turned a little bit, it's not going to move until you get it turned back around. Of course, these are a cargo vans, so you got 2 big doors in the back. As you can see, the electric awning all up on top on the right. Backup camera here. There's your lithium ion battery, which we all know is in the $20,000 range for an add-on. It's got your tire repair kit and a few other items in here, a power cord, little storage shelf up on top. Generator exhaust is over here. Vent for your ion lithium battery. Intake and exhaust for your furnace. Now this will be warm if you're operating it. The AquaGo hot water heater. You've got the service entrance for your refrigerator and the vent up on top. Utility system. 110 city water cable, and you're on-off on your propane. Outdoor shower. This is your sewer dump, and it has a container right down there for your sewer hose to slide into. It takes regular gas. Services right here. Dodge Pro-Ram chassis has got a nice feature where both mirrors are controlled top and bottom, and you can push a button and they fold in. It's very convenient when you're trying to park in a really tight space. We've been a little short on vans this year. Don't miss out on an opportunity of getting a like new model at a reduced price. I know you've got a question. Why don't you just give me a call direct at 541-554-9581. Check me out on Facebook, The Van Guy, or shoot me an email. Thanks for your time.